Hi guys, I'm Isha.
Hi guys, I'm Kian.
And today we will talk about our channels. Our first channel is,
Kids Life TV.
and our second channel is,
We love animals.
because we love animals because we love animals and we love dogs.
We love dogs. That's our pet.
That's the only pet we have.
Yeah.
We have five dogs.
Pets.
Their names are Roxy here, Goldie, Champy, Kobe, and Lebron.
That
Yes.
two, Lebron and Kobe, that's from the NBA players.
Yes, NBA players. And we did the Kids Life TV because we love
our
life.
life,
And
our parents,
yes,
Loved ones.
loved ones and
our
dogs.
crush.
Our crush.
He's crying because he heartbroken.
What?
From Jacob. Yeah.
Don't listen to them.
Don't listen
They're
to
crazy.
her.
And also,
They're crazy.
yes, we're crazy. And you will be
Because
watching. You will watch like DIYs and challenges and funny videos and vlogs.
try not to laugh.
And challenges.
Challenges.
Yes.
And we'll
Baking.
the yes
And
baking
you can visit our channel
website.
and website.
Marunong akong gumawa. Visit our website. Our names are what?
Iya Ishakia.
Yes, of course.
.com.
The name of our website is we love www at
Love Life and Animals.
yes lovelifeandanimals.com. Make sure you go check it out, and also
Just like our video.
and subscribe to our channel, 2 channels.
And watch some more videos.
Yes, make sure you comment down below what video you want
After
to
this
make.
video,
We will
Giveaway.
tour our house.
house tour. We will do a house tour, so make sure you watch that. Also,
Let's go.
let's go. And there's a thing.